Good morning, children. How are you? After a long time, we are discussing about the 10th class geography part. First lesson is completed, and I think you are thoroughly prepared during these holidays. And we are going to discuss about second lesson, that is ideas of development. In this lesson, we discuss about different ideas of different people. That is the first part. Different people having different goals, different aspirations, and different um, targets. That is, we discussed early part of this lesson. Different people having different ideas of different people. So first of all, we talk about different people. The people, those who are living in the society, we are discussing what type of people is there. We discuss first one, that is majority people, poor people. Poor people having different ideas. What are the different ideas we discuss here? Poor people, they regularly going for labor work, and what their goal, that is most important. What is the goal? What is the idea, inner idea of poor people? For example, landless farmer. What is the goal of landless farmer and prosperous farmer? I mean, who having lot of land, hectares of land. Such a person idea, such a person idea, such a person goal, such a person aspiration, we discuss here in part 1. What is that? First of all, poor, and later landless farmer. Landless farmer goal and idea. Here, poor people goal or idea, we discuss right now. Poor people thinking about, we need more money. How to get more money? That is the main thing. By doing of labor work. So that's why poor people is always searching for labor work. They believe that 365 days in a year, majority days, I need work. I will get more money. I spend money for my family purpose. I live betterly. Generally, poor people lives in huts. But here, poor people will think about how to develop, how to construct in the place of thatched hut, I mean concrete house, and dressing, good dressing, and good cloth, good furniture, and good infrastructure, TV set. That is the ambition, goals, on the targets of poor people and their children, how they get the education. Generally, the poor people children will go to the government schools. So in the government schools, their children will get good education, and getting good quality education, as well as quality um, study as well as quality teachers, and they will get good employment or government jobs. That is the aspiration, aims, and their goals of poor people here. And later, landless farmer. Landless farmer. What is the idea of landless farmer? Landless farmer means simply we are saying about they are farm workers. Landless farmers means what? Who are they? They are farm or agriculture workers. Agriculture workers. What is their idea? What is their development? Once we will verify now what is that. Their goal and idea is getting more days work, getting more days work in agriculture field. And what is their children? The children need good education. That is most important. The children need, their children need good education. And compared to private school childrens, they need good education. So that is the ambition and aspiration and developmental goals of what that is landless farmer. And mainly the landless farmer need more days work in agriculture field. So when they are going for more days work in agriculture field, they are getting lot of money. The lot of money is spending for to buy. After few years they're ready to buy a patch of land, a little bit land, half acre or 1 acre land. So then they will get landowner. Then they seems as landowner. Finally, one thing we remain. That is what that is. What is the dream of landless farmer? Finally, in simple we say, the dream of landless farmer is getting more days work in agriculture field and getting more money. So that is most important thing. So we are discussing that most of the members in India belongs to landless farmers. Their goals and aspirations are also very important. Suppose who having lot of lands, it means we say medium farmer or a rich farmer. Medium farmer, what is the goal of the medium farmer? Also we discuss here. And later, what is the middle class family attitude and their aspiration. Suppose middle class family means we are thinking about middle class means middle farmer. Middle class farmer. Having generally in India middle class farmer more than 2 acres or 2.5 hectares up to 10 hectares is known as a 2 to 10 acres. Acres of land. Those who are having 2 to 10 acres of land is known as a middle class or middle farmer. And what is the aspiration of such family members? From this family, the farmer is mainly thinking about, I want to maintain cheap labor and I will get heavy quantity of wheat or rice. Afterwards, my children will study in private schools and getting good education, and quality education. Afterwards, my children will get good jobs in government sector or private sector and earning lot of money. That is main goals of the main goals of these type of farmers. And children from rich family, children from rich family, what is the goals and aspiration of children from rich family? They need more liberty, more freedom like boys. So that is the most important thing. And there is no objections for, I mean, female is there in the rich family. What is the thinking and aspiration of a female in rich family? I mean, female children. Suppose they compare with the boys and they need more freedom like boys, and they want to study not only in India in private schools, they want to study in abroad. That is the goal of rich people children, and they are ready to settle in abroad only. They will get good income and they will enjoy. And the luxury attitude of these children also very high. They always travel by aeroplane, or they always need cars, and that is also costly cars they ready to buy and they ready to utilize. So this is the main thing, and this is the attitude of rich children from Indian point of view, especially a female from rich family thinking about like a boys. They need more freedom, more liberty, and their educational attitude. They want to study in higher educational institutions like IIT or other international schools, and they want to study abroad in America or in England, and they will get good education and they will get good employment. So that's why we are discussing several things in this first part, that is ideas and development of different people. Finally we conclude that different people having different idea, and all ideas are not same at all. So different people having different ideas. So one person idea is not same to another person idea. One person idea is not coincide other person idea. So different people having different goals and different ideas. Now finally we conclude one more important point, most important point. This is also most important point. It will come in the examination as a 1 mark question. This is a 1 mark one. And one more thing is very important one, development. What is meant by development? What is meant by development? First of all, already we discussed about goals and aspirations of different people. Now after finalizing the matter, I said one important thing, that is different people having different ideas and different goals. Ideas and different goals. Different goals. And now the same thing, after finalizing this matter, the same thing we discussed, that is what is development. What is development? So before discussing development, you getting an idea about growth. Growth means physically development. Growth means physical. But development means not only physical, mentally matured and physically development. Both are in one angle, that is known as development. Suppose educated person getting education and as well as growth of the age, and both are we mix, then it is known as development. Suppose only growth means development of a body is known as only growth. So by comparing the development and the growth, we can think about development is a complex task. Development is complex task. So it is also very important one, and it is one mark question. Development is dash, or development is what type of thing, then we can give an idea. Development is a complex task. By comparing of the growth and the development, I said just one. What is the important one? Development is the important one. So after discussing about all the topics, final task is development. So we come to the topic, ideas of development. So ideas we discussed, development also we discussed. So what is the needed for each and every country? That is development. Development is needed. Development is needed. Needed every country or every nation. Development is needed. What development? That is most important. What development? Suppose central government is planned to construct a nuclear power plant in Kodankulam, Tirunelli district in Tamil Nadu. So here all the people protested against the construction of a nuclear plant in Kodankulam in Tamil Nadu, Tirunelli district. But here important thing is we discussed construction of the plant is good for the nation, but construction of project is problematic on the matter of health background of the people. So construction is useful for the country development. Construction is very bad for the people on the basis of health sector. So people of Kudankulam started agitation against the construction of a nuclear plant in Tamil Nadu. Why? Why they didn't support this policy? Means here in India, government construct any type of developmental projects, there somewhat miscellaneous things are there. That's why the people is feeling if the plant is facing any danger, then people facing danger. So that's why people started agitation. And several social workers and environmental scientists suggested that people are not against the construction of this type of projects. They are against the environmental things that is created by the pollution is created by the plant. They are against to the such type of activities. So here development is needed for all the nations, but people is thinking about on the basis of development a lot of destruction also happen. So what is the solution for this such type of constructions and such type of projects? Solution is required. People need a solution. What type of measures you should follow before starting the construction? What guidance you should give to the people of Kodankulam? So finally, a selected team members came to the Kodankulam and they gave advices, and finally they gave solution to the people, and they followed standard measures to construct the power plant, nuclear power plant. So finally the people satisfied with that solution, and the plant construction is also over, and they need very good, they need very good thing here.